Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on concepts of product of vectors. Now today discuss about cross product or vector product. Now before, what is a left-handed and right-handed system? Okay, now here observe that first diagram. Now here anti-clockwise, or counter-clockwise direction. Okay, next here observe that second diagram. Now here A, B, C, the angle rotation of OA to OB does not exceed 180 degrees. Now here A bar, B bar, C bar is a right-handed system or right-handed triad. Now here A bar, B bar, C bar. Now B bar, C bar, A bar. Now C bar, A bar, B bar. C bar, A bar, B bar. Now here ABC, BCA, CAB are right-handed system. Now if ABC is not right-handed system, then it is said to be a left-handed system. Now here ACB, it is said to be a left-handed system. It is said to be a left-handed system. Now here ABC is not right-handed system means it is said to be a left-handed system. Next, definition of a cross product or vector product. Let A bar, B bar be two vectors. The cross product or vector product of the vectors A bar, B bar is denoted by A bar cross B bar and is defined as, now here A bar is equal to 0 or B bar is equal to 0. A bar, B bar are parallel. A bar, B bar are parallel vector means A bar cross B bar is equal to 0. A bar cross B bar is equal to 0 bar. If A bar not equal to 0, B bar not equal to 0, if A bar, B bar are not parallel, then A bar cross B bar is equal to, now here A bar, B bar are not parallel means, now A bar comma B bar between angle theta. Now here A bar, B bar, N cap form a right-handed system. Now A bar cross B bar is equal to mod A bar mod B bar sin A bar comma B bar into N cap. Now where N cap is the unit vector perpendicular to both A bar, B bar, N cap form a right-handed system. Here A bar, B bar, N cap form a right-handed system. Next, properties of a vectors, cross product or vector product. The cross product of two vectors is a vector. Second one, if A bar is any vector, then A bar cross A bar is equal to 0 bar. Third point, if A bar and B bar be two non-zero vectors, then A bar cross B bar equal to 0 if and only if A bar parallel to B bar. If and only if means, now A bar parallel to B bar means A bar cross B bar equal to 0 bar. Now A bar cross B bar equal to 0 bar means A bar parallel B bar. Next point, if A bar B bar are two vectors, then A bar cross B bar is equal to minus of B bar cross A bar. A bar cross B bar equal to minus of B bar cross A bar. And also if A bar B bar are two vectors, A bar cross minus B bar equal to minus A bar cross B bar equal to minus of A bar cross B bar. Next point, if A bar B bar are any two vectors and L M are scalars, LA bar cross MB bar is equal to LM into A bar cross B bar. Okay, now just example, now 2a bar cross 3b bar. Now here a bar, b bar are vectors, 2, 3 are scalars. Now 2 into 3, 6 into a bar cross b bar. 6 into a bar cross b bar. Okay, next another example. 2i bar cross 3j bar. 2i bar cross 3j bar. Okay, now 2 into 3, 6 into I bar cross j bar. Okay, now I bar cross j bar value k bar 6k bar. 2i bar cross 3j bar value 6k bar. Okay, next one. If a bar, b bar are any two vectors, now angle between a bar comma b bar equal to theta, mod a bar cross b bar equal to mod a bar mod b bar sin theta. Now sin theta equal to mod a bar cross b bar by mod a bar and mod b bar. Next property, if I bar, j bar, k bar are unit vectors in the right-handed system, then I bar cross I bar is equal to j bar cross j bar is equal to k bar cross k bar equal to 0 bar. Next one, I bar cross j bar equal to k bar. Now here according to diagram, I bar cross j bar, clockwise positive, anti-clockwise negative. J bar cross k bar, I bar, k bar cross I bar, j bar. Now here I bar cross j bar value k bar, j bar cross I bar minus k bar, anti-clockwise direction minus k bar cross j bar, k bar cross j bar minus I bar cross k bar minus j bar. Okay, if a bar is equal to a1 I bar plus a2 j bar plus a3 k bar, b bar is equal to b1 I bar plus b2 j bar plus b3 k bar, then a bar cross b bar is equal to det of I bar j bar k bar a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3. Okay, any two vectors are given. Now find a cross b means now you take I bar j bar k bar. Now coefficients of I bar j bar k bar, and here also coefficients of b bar I bar j bar k bar. Now you take a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3, find det, here plus minus plus. Now expand det value. Okay, next one, the unit vectors perpendicular to a bar and b bar is plus or minus a bar cross b bar by mod a bar cross b bar. Suppose three vectors are given a, b, c. Now a, b, c means OA, OB, OC, OA, OB and OC. Find AB and AC. AB means OB minus OA. Next to AC, OC minus OA. Okay, now find AB bar cross AC bar by mod AB bar cross AC bar plus or minus unit vector perpendicular to the plane ABC is. Next one, Lagrange's identity. If a bar b bar are two vectors, then mod a bar cross b bar whole square equal to a bar square b bar square minus a dot b whole square, or mod a bar square mod b bar square minus a bar dot b bar whole square. And here also this can be right. Now here det of a bar dot a bar dot b bar, a bar dot b bar dot b bar. Next, the vector area of triangle ABC of AB bar cross A bar. Now using any one of the formulae of BC bar cross BA bar of CA bar cross CB bar. If A bar B bar represents the adjacent sides of a triangle, then its area is given by of mod A bar cross B bar. Now here A bar, B bar are sides of a triangle, adjacent sides of a triangle. Now delta of mod A bar cross B bar. Okay, now here area of the triangle, vector area of triangle means of A bar cross B bar. Next one, if A bar B bar represents adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then its area given by mod A bar cross B bar. Okay, now here area of the parallelogram mod A bar cross B bar, vector area only A bar cross B bar. Now the area of the triangle with vertices A bar, B bar, C bar is, now here A bar, B bar, C bar, vector area of AB bar cross A bar. Now area of the triangle of mod AB bar cross AC bar. Next one, the area of the rectangle with vertices A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar is, now A bar mod AB bar cross BC bar. Okay, next one, the perpendicular distance from AA to line through B bar and CC bar. Now here this one. Now the perpendicular distance from A to BC. Now BC bar cross BA bar by mod BC bar. BC bar cross BA bar by mod BC bar.